Enjoy funny toy! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. With today's video we are kicking off the holiday season content. We will be making dot art collages. Let's get started! For the collaging, I will be using my favorite tweezers to make everything super surprise. Here we have our color, dot and star stickers. I think I will start with the pink dots. The nose will of course be red, and then I will use blue. Let's give it some colors. The cheeks will be yellow next. I will fill in the rest of the head with random color dot. Ooh, I like it! I will stick a red star on the forehead, collage the ears with colorful stars, and then I will work for the antlers. What color should I choose? Maybe orange. Next, I will move on to the body and collage it using pink, green and yellow dots. And the belly will be covered with red and orange stars, I think. Oh wow, it looks amazing! Now, just the background and the frame and we'll be done. Incredible! It looks great! So cheerful and colorful. Thanks for that! Okay, let's get another one. Now we start with the background. First, I will collage some trees. One will be yellow. The next one will be green. And the last one will be blue. The rest of the background will be colorful. Just look at how I'm picking the colors. Feel free to do it your own way, however you like. You can find the link to this and other dot art collages in the description below. The antlers will be orange. And the nose? Of course, it will be red. I will collage our reindeer in the pink to make it a girl. Girl reindeer! Okay, a few more stars in the background, and on the frame, the picture will be complete. Ta-da! I think it looks super cool. You can also color the picture or leave it just with stickers. You can give it to someone as a gift or even attach it to a letter for Santa. Thanks for watching. Bye!